We've been getting very, very strong inquiries and hence installation of a lot of these businesses for their energy use and needs. Again, a lot of it up here is refrigeration, lighting and certain production requirements that they do. It could be anything from water pumps and cold rooms, air conditioning, refrigeration. A lot of them are in their own forums and committees that they talk to in regards to either be sugarcane, bananas or avocados. And they all talk amongst themselves and they're trying to get to the crux of, is it worth it? Is it viable? Is it going to last? Either we help them obtain their financing through specific groups that do green lending and commercial financing. We can help them obtain the higher end quality products and they find that they get a better return on investment over time. And after getting feedback with a lot of these customers, help them to be able to install quite sophisticated jobs with regards to irrigation, pumping, supply and support, battery installations, be it either farmers or industrial. The other thing too, because these guys have been around for a while with their trucks and tractors, they want to know, well, that's great, we buy it, what about our service? Who's going to maintain it? It's very important that they feel confident and comfortable in the decision they make. Quality is very important for a company like ours because if we don't get the ongoing support in regards to the products that's supplied to us, the different aspects of quality in the solar and the installations that can be provided, if we don't get that support and the quality with that, we can't provide that with our customers.